Here's why I buy a connector from I Can Fix That LLC. So this vehicle was in an accident, and you can see, if you show back here the hood was smashed in, and it came down and it smashed this connector. This connector is broken. You can see that there. And here's the connector we're going to replace it with. So we have a brand new connector here. And unlike a lot of other places, I prefer to make sure the cars are fixed properly without splices in the harness that so you can tell if there was a repair done. So we're going to cut this off here. We're going to put new terminals on, and we're going to slip the new terminals in here, and you won't be able to tell there was ever a repair done on this vehicle. So we preserve this car's warranty pretty much. There won't be any evidence that it was in a collision, at least not from the work that we do to the car. All right, so what we have here, we have new terminals and new seals. And what happened to this connector is it actually broke the terminals off here. These are just the crimped areas of the terminal that are there. And so we can't reuse that. A lot of times we'll try and slip the terminals out of the old connector and put them in the new one, but that's not an option on this one. So we have brand new terminals and brand new seals. So the quickest and easiest way to get to this at this point would be, where are my yellow cutters? There. Is I would just cut the wires right there. And then we'll strip them back a little bit and we'll just crimp on new terminals. Might be too cold. I might need to pull that tape back just a little bit. It doesn't want to grab it. The tape is fighting me. We have this tape, so we'll be able to put the correct tape back on it. Cut my finger off. Alright, so first thing we'll do is we'll slip the little rubber seals on. These might be a little undersized for this wire, but they're going on. Yeah. Maybe the seal. Alright, terminals. See if we gotta trim that wire back a little bit. Nope, that's good. Nice and neat. Crimpers. Insert this in the jaw like that. You got the video of that. Insert this in the jaw. Nice and wire up. Try and get it in there nice and neat. Put it down. We flip it around and crimp it around the seal too. Nice and neat. Cold out here, my hands don't want to function. Good to go, Bob. Give it a little tug. It's on there. And where's that new housing? Where the hell did I put the new housing? Alright, and then we'll just use the old housing for the wire arrangement. The logo's on this side. Got it click in place. And the red goes on this side. Clicked in place. Clean up this tape, tape it back up, we're done. Cool. Evidence is gone. Can't even tell it ever happened.